your heart.
Just to let you know we're here now, and we spoke to Oliver on the train, so we'll be meeting him shortly.
We are leaving Gold River Hotel. We've been in, done a little bit of investigation, and we are now going to pick up Oliver. Looking forward to seeing him because we haven't seen him for a week. We got him! He's here and we're back at the hotel.
Yeah, hi. I don't think my face could be any more covered up than it is. Oh yeah, that. Oh no.
Well, there's no menu there or anything.
I remember.
Can we go in the park and just go and have something to eat there for now?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, no mask.
I know. You can see my face now.
You can see who it is. We got the right person then.
Okay.
Harry's loving that girl.
I can tell. I assume Harry's going to be going on
I assume
Stampede and
so.
Tomahawk then. That's it.
Gracias.
I do want them all again.
So we're in.
I know you can't see my face at all,
Oh, we can take the mask off again now.
but I am very much,
In rapture. What are you looking forward to most?
Well, today, Shambhala, because for Ireland, obviously Red Force.
What are you looking forward to most out of everything though?
Well, out of everything.
Yeah. Is that Shambhala or is that Red Force?
Oh, I think I go with Shambhala. I think I do. To be fair, Dragon Can comes close third. Everything here is going to be absolutely amazing.
It just looks so good so far.
It does, it's
Totally different
what's it
from
called?
Merlin.
Adventureland. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I'm expecting to just like...
the Disney vibe.
I know.
I'm expecting to just go around that corner and see Big Thunder Mountain.
I know.
The old steakhouse. Chicken burger. Burger. Yeah, ribs.
Chicken burger. Fried chicken burger.
Looking at the ribs What did you get?
Chicken burger.
Which is in Spanish.
No, but it's, I can't, yeah, pollo burger. That was it, yeah.
What's Harry got?
He's got chicken nuggets and chips.
And what have you got?
Burger.
Burger. And chilli.
Yep.
Might have to have a little try of that.
You can share them with me.
And I've got pudding. And corn. I thought that you might like some corn as well, Harry. No.
This is one of those places where I'm going to want to come back every year.
I'm not getting any of
I told you that, we're going to get to Spain again. Every time you go on annual pass for a place in another country, nothing else goes. So don't stop buying it.
Can I get
Quick.
Help, bye.
Why have I said that one in there?
Because
Because
we're
you're
indoors.
inside?
Yeah, there's only us there.
Yeah, but you still need it on.
So let's use it, the camera. And also drop tickets.
Right, okay.
We want to make sure it's the right kind of room, so hurry up.
Well, then why
other eye round.
Well, are we definitely in the right one?
34.21, there you go. Oh, we've got a roller coaster view!
Oh yeah!
Can we go down there now?
In a
Have
bit.
you looked out the window, Al?
No, I haven't had a chance.
Got a roller coaster view.
So I do.
Oliver's sleeping on there.
We-
Harry's
he sleeps
sleeping on
here,
there.
and we're in
Put the
there.
phone
Put it
down.
down, you'll get through to reception, you'd hope.
And they'll go.
Hola!
What have you brought with you?
Should we see if we can get one of those buggies to bring us up?
Where's Harry gone? To the toilet.
Well, I think. Our
Harry!
time. Use your
Go grab the
yeah,
case.
give me a second.
Lunch. It was really nice in a theme park kind of way, but really decently priced as well, far better than Disney, Universal sorts of prices. I had hake and surprised myself by trying the vegetable concoction it came with, which was like a tomatoey, a ratatouille I guess. Really tasty, and I would never normally have had that, and I really enjoyed it, so I'm glad I did. The hake was nice, maybe a bit fishier than I would have liked, but I'm sure it was the better option for me. I pinched a couple of people's chips, they were nice, and I pinched a couple of nachos, they were really salty. You don't get much chili on them. Still, it was nice. It was a nice experience. It wasn't too crowded. The tables are set far enough apart that you're not on top of each other. The nice big tables as well, so there was plenty of space for us four, with 4 big trays, all being spaced out. Everybody seemed to enjoy the food, except Harry wasn't too impressed with his grape that had a seed in it. Ooh, what was that? Apple tart thing with like a cremon glaze with it. Oh, that was really nice. I'm sure I had something else. Oh, corn. That was it. The corn was disappointing, like a KFC corn, but maybe like the worst KFC corn that you've ever had. Again, where are we off?
Shambhala! Right there!
Over there?
Yes, that big thing pointing over.
Well, not that yet.
Maybe not yet.
Why not?
Because it's pretty damn tall.
Are you scared?
It's 100 meters!
I thought
I need to get the adrenaline going first before I go onto a drop tower.
I thought it'd be alright as long as I'm not up there. Once I'm up there I'll start panicking, but when you look at it down here...
I think my thing with me will be, once we go to Ferrari-land, we do the smaller shot towers that they have like Fearfall.
yeah,
Exact
do
same
that
thing.
first, build up.
Yeah.
Oh. I'd be really surprised if this picks up anything we're saying at all.
I know. Especially with the very, very noisy. Yeah. I'm sweating everywhere.
Yeah.
Of course, that'll be the first thing the mic picks up.
We're not within 1.5 meters of people, so when we're in the queue...
Yeah, we'll keep them on the queue
Yeah.
like we used to.
Hola? Sorry? Oh, it's on that way.
People. I feel like we could be.
You know what? It's not even recording.
It is 100 meters tall.
We've done Dragon Con. It was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So we are on our way now to Shambhala, and just look at this.
over there. I can't take that.
Wow, that was
Best ride
amazing.
I've ever
Yeah, that was incredible, and I can't wait for Tony to do that as well. Looking forward to doing it at night time.
Oh, night rides. We're doing that tonight.
Are we?
Yes.
Right, well, let's go meet up with Dad and Harry. Give us a wave. Thank you.
That's just amazing. Like that bridge straight out of Pink is.
Yeah.
It's like,
nice.
Look over there, you can see Everest. You know what? It's Discovery Cove.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that bit before you walk to the bit where
Yeah.
you're golf and tourism.
It's the entrance.
Gorgeous.
Yep, it really is.
I'm absolutely gobsmacked.
What two beers does to him?
What?
What 2 beers does to you?
I know.
He had one earlier in the day as well.
Yeah.
The Hawaiian dance as well.
On your way.
Bacon, not Nutella. You getting ready to take that, Harry? Gracias.
For Harry,
Oh, cool.
I got the big Woody Woodpecker one.
What did you get for Portaventura?
Just a Portaventura World.
I hope you've enjoyed our day. There are more Portaventura vlogs to come, but if you haven't already, why don't you check out our information on Hotel Gold River?